Excel print to PDF, creating multiple files. I am trying to print a workbook to PDF, but for some reason it is attempting to save to multiple files. About 10 pages want to save in 2 to 3 pages per file, then the rest, another 15, save to the remaining file, totaling 6 separate files. This happens with both Adobe and QText Writer. How can I print the entire workbook into one file?
Understand you are trying to print the entire workbook instead of just one worksheet, see screenshot. If that's the case, the default Excel behavior is to send each and every worksheet separately to the printer. That causes the PDF writer to create a separate file. The solution is quite simple and I borrowed it from this site, thanks Helen Bradley. Follow these steps. Select all worksheets, right-click in any worksheet tab and click Select All Sheets. Select File, Print, and print active sheets to PDF. For some magic reason Excel now appends all output to the printer instead of sending each and every worksheet separately. This creates one PDF file with all worksheets in it.
While this is not a direct answer to the question, it is a solution. I managed to get the Adobe Acrobat plugin working so that I could use the Create PDF option in the Acrobat ribbon toolbar. To do so, I had to make sure that I had the correct version of Acrobat. Microsoft Office 2013 only works with Adobe Acrobat 11. Make sure Acrobat was up to date. Add the Adobe PDF Maker Office.com add-in in Excel, generally found in C:\program files, x86, /Adobe/Acrobat /PDF Maker. To do this, go to File Options Add-ins. At the bottom of the page, in the Manage drop-down box, select COM Add-ins. If you have this already in the list, disable it, then re-enable it. If not, click Add, then navigate to the file, using the path mentioned above. Restart Excel. That should give you this ribbon option, which will create a single PDF of the entire project.
I had a similar problem, which I discovered was due to different DPI settings on each page. I followed these instructions and it worked perfectly. In order to set the DPI value for each individual page, you have to follow these steps. Open the Excel workbook, select the sheet you want to set the DPI for in Microsoft Excel 2007, 2010, 2013. Go to Page Layout and click on the Expand button for the Page Setup dialog. For Microsoft Excel 2003 or earlier, go to File-Page Setup. In the Print Quality section, enter the DPI value that you want to have for your document. Note that this is the DPI value you will have to set for each individual sheet too, and press OK. Source printing an entire Excel workbook to a single PDF file.
The only thing that worked for me was to save as, then select Type as PDF, and then on the Options button select Entire Workbook.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.